Okay, so you know how one little job begets another one and that begets another one? Well, we've begotten a project in here that we want to do in this really awful tight little bathroom. So we're going to zhuzh it up with matching 7 planks deep with a bit of trim, a matching shiplap wall. Taken off, what was that? A big oval mirror. We've taken off a picture and I have a light bulb out. So stay tuned and we will make this cuter because we're going to change the floor and, you know, the countertop and the sink and all of that. I mean, honestly, look at that. I put that in 7, 8 years ago. Lou's here supervising again while I sand these boards in the sunshine. The snow has kindly decided to melt. The day is sunny and warm. I can't even look at that sun. That one. So yeah, the rough boards are being sanded. And off we go. I love that noise. Right, so the usual, find your studs. Get your level. Mark your studs. We are underway. Looks so gorgeous just like that. And we're almost finished. Just doing a half a wall. Would you believe my champion cutter and nailer is finished? This is done. Bar the trim. Done and done for the day. Light bulbs in. Looks like a sauna, I'm told. Yeah, so that is gonna match that. Master bedroom, master bathroom. Yee-hee. Here's the safe step for the lady with the bad leg. That's me. And then it's priming day. So I'm getting up there and hitting it. Pretty little bathroom. So yes, we're primed. We're ready for paint as soon as that dries. And that's one coat of paint. Can you see the difference? So Johnny put the little trim piece on and then we got this piece on as well. Because this hook, even though I was using those, it was wiggly, so that'll make it more solid. One more coat of paint. The job is complete. We've got the master bedroom and then we have the master ensuite, which matches. It's all painted up. I have to put the oval mirror up there, maybe a little picture. And that thing's on. Awaiting that. And yeah, all done and matchy. Ever so cute. Glad that's done. Yeah, so give it an old like, subscribe, all of those things. Subscribe. Go on, I dare you.